Hello YouTube, this is Archer Investing here, episode 1 of my investment journey here with using Robinhood. Without further ado, let's get to it. Currently in my investment portfolio, I have a total of $64,625.67. It's still going on. Let's see. Today we're up a total of 1.86% for a total of $1,183.26. Buying power, we have a total of $16,554.47. Excuse me. Options here. So SoFi, $21.50 call option expiring this Friday. This most likely will expire worthless, which is not good for us because we're on the buy position here. But that's okay because it only costed $19, so not much of a loss. Irene went up crazy today, so this contract is up 105%. So looks like we might get called out right now. Not right now, but when it expires. Irene's currently trading at $45.17. So if it keeps going up, we will get called out, but that is okay because we bought Irene at $41, which either way we still make profit. You'll see that later. And then we got SoFi here, a $23 call option that we're selling. This most likely will expire worthless as well. So we'll get $16 back. Not back, my bad, but $16 in credit. Then we got MSTR. Did this play today, $185 sell call contract. Looks like we're down 15% today. Then we got Visa here, 5 calls of Leaps, a $335 call option. We are down pretty big today, almost $4,000 in total. But that's okay. Visa's pretty undervalued right now, so I'm not too worried about that position just yet. Then we got SoFi, 2 Leap options here expiring March 19th, 2027, down almost 20%. And then we have another 4 contracts, but this one expiring June 2027, down almost 11%. Then we have DEFT here. This option pretty much was just kind of out of the whim. I don't expect it to go up. I think I might just sell it. Kind of regret making that decision, but it's okay. Amazon, I do think Amazon's pretty undervalued right now, so I bought a Leap contract on it. I'm not sure when I would not like to sell it, but I do think Amazon is pretty undervalued, so we'll see what happens. And then we got Archer here, $7 call option expiring in 2028, January 21st, down almost 24%. Archer went up to $13-14 last year, 2025, so I do think it will go up to at least $10 this year, so that'll be a quick profit right there. Now to our crypto stocks and ETFs. For crypto, we only have one crypto stock, XRP here, currently still going up. Total of 316 shares. That's 1% of my portfolio. Up $27, still down 32 altogether. JEPQ, this ETF gives out a monthly dividend. Currently have 5 shares. I want to build up this position even more. Let's see what the dividend is right now. 11.38%. And then we got VOO here. This tracks the S&P 500. I did have a pretty big position in VOO, but I sold pretty much all of it. Now I'm rebuilding that position back up again. Daily buying $5 into this ETF. And we got QQQM right here, $246.70, total of 1.76 shares. Buying $4 a day into that ETF. RVI, Robinhood Ventures Fund, I bought this when it IPO'd, and then I bought another 10 shares, and then another 10 shares. Every time it dips, I kind of buy just like a little bit. Then we got Oracle over here, currently at $155.39. Currently have 4 shares, and $2 a daily buy. This stock does give out a dividend too. I also did a leap play on this stock as well. So I bought it at $4,680, 130 call option, and then sold it at $5,385. So about like a $700 leap play right there. And then I sold my Oracle stock at 167 because I started noticing it started trending down, which is great because right now it's at 155. So I made another like $100 and something profit there. DRS, Leonardo DRS. This stock also gives out a dividend. 58 cents looks like for me. Currently have 6.81 shares. Kind of want to just slowly build up that position as well. SoFi Technologies. This stock is pretty well known. I had over 450 shares on this stock. And then I started selling off a lot of the stock just because I saw it going in a downtrend for right now. I might buy more once it gets to about the $17 price range, below my average cost. But right now, we'll just stick with the 200 shares. Amazon currently sitting at $211.18. I do think Amazon is pretty undervalued, so I do want to build up this position even more aggressively. Currently, it's only 1.43% of my portfolio. I'd like for that number to be higher. Google. So I actually had a leap contract on Google last year, and I bought it like around 160, and then I sold it like at 225. Definitely regret that decision, just because as you can see, Google went up to over $300. But it is what it is. That's when I was still learning about the wheel strategy, call options, and leaps and all that stuff. But right now, my position's pretty small, only $67 market value wise. American Airlines. When I first started learning about options, I did lose a pretty good amount of money on American Airlines. I don't want to say a pretty good amount, so probably like $500, and then I made it back. So it's just another stock that I've been kind of holding. Visa. So I currently have 2.73 shares. I do believe in Visa. I do want this position to be up higher in terms of my portfolio diversity. MSTR. So MSTR right here, MicroStrategy here, kind of follows Bitcoin. I bought it at 157. I was actually making pretty good money selling options on it. And I think I sold a leap on it too. Made some pretty good money off of that. We're still currently down $807, but that's okay. Looks like we're going back up to the uptrend, but we'll see how tomorrow goes. Irene here, currently sitting at $45.24. Bought the stock at $41 flat. So we are up over, it says $424 here, but realistically it's just $400 because we do have a contract of $45. So hopefully Irene doesn't go up too much, or I feel like I'm missing out, but you know, that's kind of the risk you take with selling options or buying. Microsoft, kind of the same thing with Google. I bought Microsoft at like 360 last year or something like that, and I sold it once it reached like 410. So kind of the same thing with Google. American Express, another stock here. I actually do like American Express. I am a Amex card holder. I do like the benefits that the gold and the platinum give you. I do think this stock is slightly undervalued, so I am just slowly but surely buying into this stock as well. And plus it gives out a dividend, so that's nice. So So my strategy is pretty much using MSTR and Irene sell call options to buy more stock of like Visa, Amazon, Google, and just build up those positions as well. And then with time, if the stocks dip more, then I'll allocate more money into the rest of the stocks. We do have over $16,000 in the buying power, which is nice, but I do not want to put all of that money into one stock right away unless I'm very, very confident in that stock. But we'll see what happens. But yeah, let me know what you guys are investing in. If you guys have any tips or anything like that you want to share with me, let me know. Thank you.